Now, have you ever solved a Rubik's Cube before? No. Okay, I'm gonna give you the power to solve a Rubik's Cube. Watch, all mixed up, right? Mixed up on all sides, right? Mixed up Rubik's Cube. We're gonna put it in the paper bag. Can you snap your fingers? That's it. Can you catch? Goes from completely mixed to completely solved. Ready? Goes from completely mixed to completely solved. What? What was that? What's your name? Cameron, you're incorrect. No.
She hold it down.
No, really.
Okay.
Can you hold out your hand? No, really, there's nothing in here.
Wait, there isn't. There isn't, that's fine.
Yeah, you can try.
I know.
It's like a button that makes you go all back together.
Yeah, it's the button. See, it's the orange button right there. He got it. See, if you push the orange button. Boom, that's it. Here, push the green button. That's it. If you push the green button, just like that. If you watch the orange button, cover it up for a split second, toss it up in the air, it solves itself. That's how it works. That's it. If you push the green button, cover it up for a split second, toss it up in the air, it solves itself.
What?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Wow.
That's it. That's the magic. If you cover it for a second, give it a toss, it solves itself. Just like that. Thank you. If you want to see more of me and my magic, you can check out my YouTube channel. It's Anna D, ITSANNAD, and you can catch up with me, my daily life, and everything else on Instagram at Anna Deguzman. See you there.